If ever I had a video, would you dance in it? Would you dance in it, in it? Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine.
What's up, JP gang, 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 gang? And I'm back with another prank, y'all. I'm back with another prank. I'm chilling on Game 2 right now, and I was thinking, like, I gotta prank your girl. I gotta prank your girl. She be getting on my nerves. She be getting on my nerves, y'all. Good ass prank. I got one for y'all. She love these cats. Everybody knows Jessica love her cats, y'all. They gotta go. I keep saying they gotta go, they gotta go. So, what I'm gonna do is, we have two cats, Nico and Neo. Nico is attached to me. I'm not gonna bother him. He's the bad one though. But we have Neo. That motherfucker don't fuck with me. All he want me to do is feed him and get the fuck out. So, since, you know what I'm saying, she been getting on my nerves and he just be using me for food, I'm finna prank their ass. I'm finna put Neo in the closet, and when she come home, she gonna be like, where is Neo? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know where the fuck Neo went. But I got a short story for y'all. Nico jumped out the window, I think like 2 months ago. We had our window open. It was kind of cracked, and he latched onto, we had a screen, he latched onto the screen, and him in the screen fell out the window. When we came home from work, he was gone. So we had to look for him. It took us like 3 hours or whatever. Thank God, because Jessica was crying. Now, that could have been a prank right there, y'all. But since that already happened, we didn't put our screen back in our window. I'm going to show y'all. We didn't put our screen back in our window. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open the room window. I'm going to put Neo in the closet. I ain't going to do it right now because his ass might suffocate. So I'm going to put him in the closet when I know she's about to come up the stairs. And I'm going to come in my room, you know, my little man cave, play my game and shit. And I'm going to have both of the windows open. I'm going to have the living room window and the room window. Because I'm going to say, the cats, I'm going to say, damn, not the cats. I'm going to say, I had made some fish. I was trying to air it out. I fried some fish today. So, she's going to be like, Uniqua. Yeah, that lady crazy. Uniqua. Oh, she's gonna be mad. She's gonna cry. It's gonna be like a little mixed emotion. And I want y'all to see that. You know what I'm saying? I just feel like it's time for another prank on her ass because she been getting on my nerves. And y'all got it. But I'm finna show y'all the screen I was talking about. This is the screen. This right here is the screen that he jumped off of. This cat. Right here, that's Nico, y'all. That's Nico. He jumped out the window, so he gonna be left alone. But this one, that's Neo. This is the fella that's gonna be in the closet. He has to go. Bye-bye. You gotta go. You're gonna be gone up out of here. So, I'm sorry. What a precious face. You really can't see his face because it's black. But guys, I'll be back when Jessica is on her way. Peace. Alright, y'all. So Jessica is on her way home. We figure out this shit situated. I'm gonna go find the cat and then put the cat in the closet. Open the window. Y'all see he a little feisty. He a little feisty. It's like an alligator. Alright, y'all, I gotta go open the window. Got the window open, y'all. Let me show y'all. It's open. We'll be back.
There you go. Hey, girl. Hey. Hello? Uniqua. Hey, why you not answering me?
What?
What are you doing?
Play my game.
It is cold. You know
What?
they're blasting that music downstairs.
I was downstairs or upstairs?
No, it's either upstairs or downstairs.
Maybe that sound like they going stomping up there.
Oh, really?
I want to get an open head.
Girl, you better get it now while I'm already dressed.
I mean, I ate some fish. I fried me some fish. I think I want some food though, too. Also, I'm probably cooking the nuts.
Have you fed my cats?
Shit, yeah, like an hour ago.
I
They
mean,
still got food in their bowl.
where are they?
Yeah, something wrong. They'll probably sleep. That's all they do.
Come here, Nico.
That's all they do is sleep.
Excuse me. Nico. Mia.
Sleep is not a lady.
Oh, sorry. Where's your cat? Where's your cat, brother?
I was up on the game for a couple of hours.
Why is it cold in here?
I opened the window because I had just told her, you don't smell the fish? I fried some fish.
I didn't hear that part.
Wow.
It's freezing. Do you have the heat on?
No. I was trying to let that shit clear out. You know, it'd be stinky. Okay, you can come with some hookah puffs or what?
Yeah.
Like I can move.
Where's my cat? Where's my Neo?
I don't know. You straight ass said on the two?
Neo. Nico, where's your brother? Uniqua, it's cold in here.
I told y'all that.
Uniqua, look, Shay. Oh my gosh. I know you do not have this window open with no screen. I know you don't have this window open with no screen.
I was trying to air the shit out. So
Where's my cat? Where's my cat?
I don't know.
Where's my cat? That window's wide open with no screen. What are you talking about?
I mean, I'm pretty sure his fat ass ain't jump out the window.
Where's my cat? Where's Neo? And I'm damn sure he's not in. I know he's not in there. Uniqua, where's my cat?
I don't know.
Uniqua, where's my cat? Where's my cat? Uniqua.
Man, just look under the bed. He probably under the bed. He probably under the bed.
Neo. I looked underneath the bed. What are you talking about? I looked underneath the bed.
You scared
This
me.
is it. I don't care. This is the second time. Why? But the fact that why would you have the window open? Why would you have the window? It does not matter. You have the window open. Now go find my cat.
Bro, I'm not.
Go find my cat.
I'm not going to
Uniqua, go find my cat.
You got one.
Uniqua.
I can't.
Listen, I almost smacked the crap out of you.
He's screaming at me.
Uniqua, go find my cat.
He's here.
Go find my cat.
He's in
Go
here
find
somewhere.
my
I'm
cat.
sure. Look at this up.
My cat. Where's my cat? Where's my cat?
He in here somewhere. He in here. He just, I don't know. He in here somewhere.
Uniqua, I'm about to throw shit.
You think he
I'm about to. No, I just looked. It's not a big ass apartment. It's not a big apartment.
Where can he go?
It's not a fucking big apartment. What are you talking about?
I'm sure.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Yo,
Go find my cat. Go find my cat.
At least you got
Go
one
find
of
my
them.
cat.
At least you got one of them.
Uniqua, stop.
Oh, oh my God, Sharkeisha! Sharkeisha, no! Don't kick her, Sharkeisha. Don't kick her.
Where's my cat, man? Where's my cat? Where the hell is my cat? I'm not playing with you. Where's my cat? Where's my cat? Where's my cat? You go the fuck out there and go find my cat. I am not playing with you. I am not playing with you. I am not playing with you.
I don't understand why.
But get the fuck out and go find my cat. What are you talking about? You're just standing here. You think it's a fucking joke.
I looked all over this damn apartment. I'm not gonna go outside. I told you, the next time we lose a cat, that's the last time. That's the last time. There you go right here, baby. It's a prank. It's a prank, baby. There you go right there, look. He running from me.
Uniqua, stop playing with my fucking cat, man.
It's just a prank, man. It's a prank. Alright, y'all. So I had to tell her it was a prank. She crying. I'm sorry. It's a prank, though. I'm sorry. But y'all got to comment Team P down below. We've been waiting all damn day to do this prank. If you got your little funky cat.
This is not funny.
The fat one. You really thought he jumped out the window, though? This man is the laziest cat you can ever have. The laziest cat. You thought he was going to jump out the window? I'm sorry for putting you in the closet, bro.
The fact that when I opened the closet, he wasn't even there.
Alright, man, I need y'all to comment Team P down below.
No, don't comment. Don't comment anything. Don't comment anything.
Comment.
Because the fact that you know I don't sit here and play about my cats. Why would you do this? This happened more, like, this happened. I can't talk.
What? Subscribe to Just P Gang. Go like this post, like all the other videos we have. And what else?
You're not even saying it right.
What am I supposed to be saying? I can say whatever I want to say. What am I supposed to be saying? Hit the notification bell so every time we post a video, you'll be notified. And subscribe. Gang, comment Team P. Comment Team P. And we out.
Sunshine, you are my sunshine.